Alright, so last time I showed you how to do the engine oil. Today I'm going to show you how to do this transmission oil. First, disclaimers. I'm not a professional, clearly. Big surprise. It's kind of controversial about changing your transmission fluid. Do it at your own risk. I'm not liable for anything. This is just basically to show you that I'm doing it, and if you have a similar car, how to do it on your car. And if you mess it up, it's not my fault, basically. Kind of harsh, but true. So I'm replacing transmission fluid in mine because I did put the new cooler, as you can see there, and when I did that, most of the fluid drained out and I had to replace it anyways, so I might as well do a full replacement. Alright, so you can't really see it there, but right there behind that little bump is a P55 torque bit, which holds the drain pan. Not the drain pan, the drain bolt on, which it is the drain bolt. So I'm going to crack her loose. Oh my god, that baby's torqued on there bad. Oh, she's already leaking. Okay, that was quick. Okay, let me open it up a little bit more. Oh, okay, can I do the drain pan? Oh boy, I dropped my... Okay, well, pick up my ratchet now that it's covered in oil. Thank you. Get this under there and loosen this bad boy up. Oh, and I dropped it in. Oh, that is some milky looking transmission fluid. Huh. Oh, I'm not changing the filter either because I obviously don't have a lift and I don't want to drop the pan in my driveway. At least not right now. I'll let some of that drain out. I'm not seeing any metal fragments. Any shinies. I'll wrench her on there just like the drain pan bolt. Just nice and tight, you know. Don't need to go crazy with an impact or anything, but I mean, torque specs on screen if I can find it. Can you even see that? Okay, good. Alright, so now that that's done, it's time to fill up our oil. Alright, so removing the dipstick. Just put that off to the side for now and insert our funnel. Alright, so the internet says about 3 quarts, so I do have a transmission cooler, so it is a bit more. And this is not the right bottle. There's different fluid in here. I'm not using Ford and GM. Make that clear. How much was that? That was about less than a quart. It's about 2 quarts now. Probably check underneath the car, make sure I'm not spilling any of this at the drain plug. Okay, everything looks solid. Keep warm. Just under 2 quarts now. Alright, that's about 2 quarts now. So let's let this finish. There for now. Take our drain. so that we filled that up now. It's still not there yet, so we gotta go inside the car here. Car here. I don't have my keys. Alright, in the car, starting her up. Alright. Firmly on the brake. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. Second. Low. Drive. Second. Neutral. Reverse. Park. Reverse. Neutral, drive. Just keep rolling through them. Get all that fluid going through. See that in between neutral? That shake there? Shaking the whole car. Low, shift up to the drive, neutral, reverse, park, and then we'll do it one more time from the bottom. Oh, and we'll shut off the car. Now let's go out and check our fluids levels. Bad boy out. Clean it off on my shirt because I can. Put it in the right way. And check again. So it's on the cold right now. We're gonna add a little bit more. Pull her up again. Wipe everything off. Back in. Check the fluid. And it's in the middle. So that's good. Alright, let's go for our test drive. Alright, so now that we got all the fluid changed, we're just going for a test drive here. Went around the block a few times, but I'm gonna put it in the very lowest gear here and just do some light pulls just to get the fluid going. Nothing crazy, just enough to make it all the fluid, transfer through the whole transmission. Let's throw it in neutral as well. And back in the drive. Okay, neutral as well, moving. Neutral, give it all the gas. And everything's fine, so I believe that is the end of the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, check the links in the description, and yeah, peace.